Using AI to create product tabs helps you organize product information faster and makes your product pages easier to read. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme and open any product page. Select the product information section and add a block such as collapsible row or tabs, depending on your theme. Click into the content area of the tab and use Shopify's built-in AI text generator or an installed AI app to generate content like product descriptions, FAQs, or shipping details. Review and edit the AI-generated text to match your product, then insert it into the tab. Repeat this for additional tabs like description, shipping, or returns. Once finished, click Save and preview the product page to confirm the tabs display correctly. After saving, your Shopify product page now displays tabs created with AI-generated content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.